All right, guys, so we're back on this N scale decoder installation, and we were pretty much done with the decoder installation. This thing ran fine, as you saw on the track test. But when I told you that this thing had some uh, little issues with, I don't know what those are. But this is actually the detail kit for an RS3 I got online. And it's got a bunch of stuff in it. I have no idea what it's for. No idea what those are for. No idea where those will go. But they are small. So we'll put that aside. And it came with an extra brake wheel, which, miraculously, I have never broken. But the part that I was really concerned with was these cab windows. So we're going to finish putting that in. And this build will be done. We'll get some beauty shots of it for you guys. And we'll go from there. I don't know. I don't think I can get these lights in here. Not really sure. But I'll take a look. Don't mind my nasty finger. I was working outside and I caught my nail on something and ripped the nail off. And it hurts. And it got infected. Even though I've done everything I can to make sure it didn't. Hold on a second. Let me try something. All right, guys. So, I don't know. They say this is the way you do this. The jewel box drop. So, well, that worked. I also snapped my coupling off. All right. So, we'll figure this out. All right. Let me get this coupling back in there for now. Oh, great. Yeah, I broke the truck. That's awesome. Great. All right. So, note to self, let's not do that. Now I got to find the truck. All right, guys. It's not one thing, it's another. So, let's move on from here. Uh-huh. That was working fine until I broke it. We'll get this body together in a minute. Oh, I actually got to take it apart, so let me get this apart here. All right. All right, so these just slide into here. Allegedly. They're a left and a right? No, I don't think so. Ah, there is. Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. Let me see what's going on. Oh, okay. I see what's going on here. We got a little something happening here. All right, guys. Give me 1 second. I just gotta grab something. It's on my other workbench. All right, guys. So we're just gonna clean this. There's a little bit of something going on here. I don't know if that's causing my problem, but. All right, that's one side in. Q-tips are very handy because I definitely got fingerprints on these things. All right. There we go. Those are all in place. Now, I got some paint that I picked up, and I just want to try. I'm going to do it on this engine. One, because I own it. Two, it was a Frio, kind of. So, not really too concerned. But I think it's going to look pretty good. I see that. All right. So we'll just let that dry for a minute, and then we'll get back at it. All right, be right back. All right, guys, here we are. Back on the track. As you can see, the lights on it, and it runs pretty good. Running a long time, so it needs to get worked in. I got plans to build a small N scale layout real quick to be able to in reverse. Lights work, everything works. So stay tuned for the build. Once again, guys, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, and stay tuned. We're gonna start doing more N scale stuff. We're gonna start building the N scale module. We're doing the N scale snowplow. I'm gonna try to put a motor in there, power the rotor, but I don't know if I can do that. It's tight, but I'll give it a shot. And as always, thanks for watching. Catch you later.